In this video, I am going to tell you how to change the country in LG TV. For this, you need to go to the settings of your TV. So just press on all settings. You just need to click on this option. After that, you need to scroll down and click on journal option. And now you need to click on location option in journal. And this is a location option. Just tap on this. Now you will get two options, broadcast country and LG services country. So this is my broadcast country, India. So you can change it. You need to enter your password and you need to change the broadcast country. And LG services country, you can also change it from here. Make sure that both the countries should be same. All the list of the countries are showing here. You can select the appropriate country from here. So I hope friends now you will be able to change the country about both broadcast and LG services country from these options. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for the videos.